Now let us go for 9th example. We have to find the number of triples A, B, C of positive integers such that AB is a prime, BC is a product of two primes, ABC is not divisible by square of any prime, and their multiplication ABC less than or equal to 30. Okay. So what we want? We want triples ABC. We will start from fourth condition. So what is fourth condition given? Their multiplication ABC should be less than or equal to 30. So what can you guess from here? We can say that maximum value we can take for ABC. For ABC is 15. We can't take greater than 15 at the place of A, B or C. Because if 15 into 2 is 30 and 16 into 2 is 32, we can't take any of A, B, C greater than 15. Okay, clear? Third condition. What is third condition? Their multiplication should not be divisible by square of any prime. Okay. So we can't take 4, 16 and 25 as A, B or C, as 4 and 16 are divisible by 4, which is square of 2, and 25 is the square of 5. So these three numbers we can't take at the place of ABC. Next, second condition. What is second condition? BC is a product of two primes. See, BC is a product of two primes. Means simply we want B and C both primes. Okay. We can't take B or C rather than prime. Not even one we can take. See, you have to understand, we don't want product prime. We want BC is a product of two primes. Means these two should be prime. Okay. So what are the possible values for primes less than 15? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. So these are the possible values for B and C. Now what is about A? So first condition we will see. AB is a prime. See now, both of these are primes. Means B will be prime. And to keep a prime as a prime, we must have to multiply it by 1 only. Okay. So A must be 1. We can't take any value of A rather than 1. Understood? So there is fixed value for A here, 1. Now let us go for this. Suppose we take this B as 2. Then what are the possible values for C? 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Okay. If we take 3, then possible values for C? 2, 5, 7. We can't take 11 because 11 3s are 33, which exceeds 30. Okay. If we take 5, then 2, 3. Here we can't take 7. Okay. Because 7 5s are 35. Then for 7 also we will take 2 and 3 only at the place of C. And for 11 we will take only 2. We can't take even 3 also. And for 13 also we will take 2 only for the value of C. Okay. So in this way triples will be 1, 2, 3. This is 1. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 7. In this way we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And hence total number of 14 triples we will get under these 4